Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to continue teaching you regular expressions, new things about regular expressions. So stay tuned. So previously I talked about how to find a specific word in a string using regular expressions. But what about letters? For example, suppose that you want to find the A letter and the E letter, how many times they have been used or they are there in a specific string or a paragraph. And you can do that using regular expressions very easily instead of creating loops and your own algorithm, which will take time and could be difficult. Using regular expressions, you can do that very easily. So in order to do so, you need to start by creating the regular expression object. First, we create a variable called regexp for regular expression, and then you just use the regular expression and pass into the constructor, you pass the regular expression. And as I told you before, in order to pass the pattern that you want to match in this string, you first need to add / starting and ending, and inside them you add your pattern. And the pattern for matching a specific letter or set of letters is by using square brackets. So inside these square brackets, you can set your letters. Let's say I want to find A and E, how many times they occurred, and then comma, and then the flag that I'm going to use is the G flag, so that we find all A's and E's. And now we are done. In order to use the regular expression, you would first use the string and then call string and then call the match function and pass your regular expression here regexp and store the result in a variable, let's say a variable called result equals to this. And we also need to print out the result to see what is going to be printed out. Now if I save and run, as you can see, it's going to return an array of A's and E's that have been used in this string. So in order to make sure that this is correct, if I check how many A's here, you can see that we have here 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. We have 5 A's, and in the result we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the E's we have 1 and 2, and we also have 3. So we have 3, and we also have 1, 2, 3 in the result. So this is how you can match letters in a specific string if you want to find out how many letters are used in a specific string. And what I want you to do is that I want you to practice this, because regular expressions, actually, I have to be honest with you, aren't very simple. They look simple, but they require lots of practice in order to master them. And they are, as I told you before, they are super powerful. If you learn them, you will not have to do a lot of things by your own code. You don't have to reinvent the wheel and create your own code. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also check the description below, because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.